Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today a quick video how to remove and replace radio on Land Rover Discovery, guys. We're building this one here now. And radio doesn't work, so we need to replace it. We tested everything, we have connection. I want to show you guys how you guys remove it and replace it if you need. Those are the tools that you need. We have the links on our website mechaniclifestyle.com. you can check it out in the description of the video. And what you need to do, you need to push those in, okay, like that. And then you need to get a prying tool, okay, to pull the radio out, okay. And you can see it 30 seconds in the video with all the description and stuff. And that's what's happening here. When you press this one, it releases right here, as you can see. Pretty simple. Next, we have all the connections that we will need to disconnect here, guys. Okay, you have the antennas that you need to pull. Okay, and then you need to pull all the cables here as well. Push in on the little notch. Okay, and pull. Okay, one is out, and you do the same to all of them. Okay, and then we have those three that we need to take care of now. And you press on the side there. Okay, and I think it comes together. Okay, one more on this side. Okay, it's still stuck a little bit here. Okay, came right out, guys. That's the radio right here. When you need to install the new one, all you have to do, connect the wires, push it in until it locks. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.